Hey everyone, it's Trevor here at Legacy Dodge in Claresholm, and I've got our 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited with us. And if you want to know why this is Canada's best-selling minivan for the last 40 years, I'm about to give you a crash course. Finished in velvet red pearl, this Limited features intelligent keyless access on both power sliding and front doors. Gorgeous red velvet accents. We've got memory seating, his and hers on the driver's door. Power windows that are auto down in the first and second row. Adaptive cruise control, self-parking technology, 360 camera, navigation, more storage than you know what to do with. You've got a slider here with your wheel locks, another slider here in the second row. There's a third slider that pops out with drink trays below, stow and go and second row seating, which is also heated, power reclining third row stow and go. Look at the size of this sunroof. Folks, I'll tell you what, I'm 6'3" and I fit perfectly in the front row of this. I can sit behind myself comfortably. You can quickly grab this handle right here, gain tons of access for a guy my size going into the third row. There's that power recline I told you about. We've got a sunshade to keep everyone cool, second row sunshade to keep everybody else cool. And if you want to watch something cool, dual Blu-ray players with HDMI, USB, auxiliary inputs. This thing has absolutely everything, and when you want to clean up your excitement afterwards, you've got an onboard vacuum cleaner. Guys, I don't know what else to tell you about this van other than if you missed this one, you're definitely asleep at the wheel. Come find out why Chrysler Pacifica and Grand Caravan are Canada's best-selling van. Made right here in Ontario with pride. 403-625-4555. Forget the SUV. Get the ultimate family mover right here at Legacy Dodge in Claresholm.